Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday. Hope everybody had a great week. I hope everybody will enjoy their weekend. I went to the store right quick to get me some foods that I could eat on this weekend. Normally on the weekends, I tend to do more ketovore than straight carnivore. Today is going to be my cheat meal day. So I've been fasting all day. All I've had was water. But I went and got me some. I'm going to have me a sandwich. I was going to fix a chicken salad sandwich, but I put my chicken in way too late and I'm hungry now and I don't feel like really waiting anymore. So I'm going to just let that go ahead and slow cook, and I could show you that right quick. So I just put this in a slow cooker. It was after 3 o'clock, but I'm gonna just let it go ahead and cook, and tomorrow I'll fix some chicken salad for me and my son. That's what we'll have for dinner tomorrow. But tonight I'm gonna have me, I think I'm gonna have me a pastrami sandwich with some cheese. I've started incorporating sandwich meat into my meal because sometimes at night, if I'm up late or I didn't really do well with getting in my food for whatever reason, when I'm not hungry, I did find myself coming downstairs and getting me some lunch meat. So I did buy this. I like this is who is this? Child. I forget, Boar's Head. So I did eat up all the lunch meat, and I found like 3 or 4 slices of some lunch meat and my water, and I'm good for the night. So I will be incorporating lunch meat. It may not be the most healthiest, but it's better than me coming down and eating junk. So again, today is my off day. It's Friday, so I'm gonna have me a sandwich. I bought me one little peach, and it is soft. I saw that Dr. Bronner's is making candy bars now, and it was 2 for $6, so I bought 2. I'm gonna eat one tonight, and I'm gonna put the other one up for next week. I like Dr. Bronner's products, but I wanted to taste them and see how it is. It's dark chocolate. Here's the ingredients: fair trade organic cocoa beans, fair trade organic coconut sugar, which I do use coconut sugar, fair trade organic cocoa butter, fair trade organic bourbon vanilla bean, and organic almonds. So the ingredients is pretty clean. It's really cleaned. It's better than you going to get in a Snickers bar, which I would love to enjoy right about now. But the calories on it is not bad. I mean, it's 12 grams. I would say it's like you get like, looks like 3 servings. So 1/3 per serving. I'll probably eat this whole thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but we'll see. But yeah. So I got the crunchy hazelnut butter, and I got salted almond butter. Pretty much the same kind of ingredients. Very clean for a candy bar. Hopefully it tastes good. Because you know, some of these, I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan. I prefer milk chocolate, but dark chocolate is not as sweet and is more healthier than milk chocolate. I went back and got some more of these little bun breads because they were good and they were light. I got me some grain-free Siete tortilla chips. If you're going to do tortilla chips on your off day or you want some chips, Siete is the way to go. The ingredients are very clean. And it's grain-free as well. I also got these cookies, these crackers I'm gonna eat with my chicken salad probably tomorrow. They're grain-free. First time I'm seeing them at Sprouts, but they're grain-free, gluten, dairy, and soy-free. And the ingredients are clean. And the nutrition macros is not bad. I mean, 15 crackers is 150 calories, 10 grams of fat. Mostly people are gonna look at the carbs. So it's only 15 carbs. Y'all know I eat very little carbs during the week. So I don't think it's gonna be a big deal for me. And that's it. So I'll show you my sandwich when I'm finished. So this is my cheat meal for today. Some pastrami with a slice of Munster cheese. I melted my peach, my 1/3 of my Dr. Bronner's dark chocolate bar. This is what it looks like inside. And then my Sieta kettle cooked barbecue chipotle chips. This is 1 ounce. I did measure out the chips, and I did cut the 1/3 of the candy bar, and I put the rest away. If I get hungry later, I have a half of a ribeye that I could not finish yesterday. I was just really full. It was actually a really big ribeye. It was over a pound. And then I got my Reed's zero sugar ginger ale. It's sweetened with monk fruit and stevia. You do got to count the carbs. Some people who do net carbs, they're going to take the 12 grams of carbs and subtract it from the erythritol, which make it 0 carbs, net carbs. But I count total. And you can see it says 0 net carbs per serving. Erythritol carbs have no calories or effect on blood sugar. And it's not bad. It's pretty good, this ginger ale. I mean, it don't taste like a regular ginger ale, but it'll do. It ain't bad. Sometimes you gotta make adjustments. So I'm gonna go eat. It is almost 7 o'clock, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. So I just wanted to come back and show y'all my plate is empty. Y'all, this chocolate wasn't it. I mean, it's a high, I think I read on there 70% dark chocolate. I am not a dark chocolate lover at all, unless it's lower percentage dark chocolate. But to me, I wouldn't buy this again. If you like dark chocolate, you may like it, but for me, it's like, So I just wanted to come back and share that with y'all. But give it a try for yourself. I'm just not a big dark chocolate person, and it's too high of a percentage in dark chocolate for my taste, for my liking. So it wasn't really worth the calories added for me. But I'm gonna eat it because I bought it. That's it.